Today, we're going to do something a little different. We are going to see just how much history, how much human connection can be hiding inside a single everyday word. And our only tool? It's dictionary entry. So, let's dive in. It's a fair question, right? I mean, we all use thousands of words a day. We don't even think about it. But what if I told you that one of the simplest ones you can think of holds clues to history, to geography, and even to this really ambitious global communication project? The word we're putting under the microscope today is window. And our map for this whole journey is just its entry in the Simple English Wiktionary. Let's see how deep this rabbit hole actually goes. Okay, first things first, we've got to start with the definition that we all know, the one we picture in our heads. Yeah, it really doesn't get much clearer than that, does it? A piece of glass in a wall. It's functional, it's direct, it's exactly what we all picture. It feels simple because, well, it is. And, the data actually backs this up. The dictionary entry itself notes that window is one of the 1,000 most common headwords, which is basically just the term for the main words that get their own entry. And this, right here, is our first real clue. Its simplicity is exactly what makes it so important.
But a good dictionary entry, it's so much more than just that one line. It's packed with all these little details. So let's dig a bit deeper and see what else is hiding here in plain sight.
For instance, check out the pronunciation. In the UK, it often has this softer ending, like window. But in the US, it's a sharper, more distinct window. It's a really subtle difference, but it shows you how a word kind of adapts and changes as it travels the globe.
And the word doesn't just stand on its own, either. It's a building block for so many other ideas, right? You've got window pane, windowsill, and of course the big one, the proper noun, Windows, the operating system. This one simple root just grows into a whole family of concepts. So far this all seems pretty standard for a dictionary entry, but right near the top of the page, there's this little tag. It's super easy to miss, but this is where the story gets really interesting.
You could honestly just scroll right past it and not think twice. But this isn't just some random note. It's a clue. A clue that tells us that the word window belongs to a very, very exclusive club.
And here it is. This is the clue. Window is on the Basic English 850 list. The Basic English 850 list? What on earth is that? It sounds official, it sounds really specific, and kind of important. That number right there, 850, that is the key to this whole thing. This isn't just some random list of words, it's a carefully, deliberately constructed system. And it means our simple word window was chosen intentionally to be part of a foundational vocabulary for the entire world.
So, what is Basic English? It's a simplified language created way back in the 1930s. The whole goal was to pick out the most essential, the most functional 850 words that you could use to express almost any idea. And window, well, it made the cut. It was deemed absolutely essential for global conversation.
And this changes everything. It completely reframes how we look at this word. Window isn't just an English word anymore. It's been officially designated as a global word. So let's unpack what that really means.
The impact is just huge. So, according to the source page for this entry, the word window is available in 85 different languages. 85. That is no accident. That is a direct result of it being chosen for this core global list. I mean, just look at the scope here. You've got everything from Spanish to Japanese, Russian to Swahili. By being on that Basic English list, the word window became a bridge, a shared concept connecting speakers from all these vastly different cultures. The logic behind the whole system is actually simple, but it's really powerful. First, you identify those 850 essential words. Then, you use them to create a clear foundation for communication. And the ultimate goal? To make learning English way more accessible for beginners all over the world.
So, we started with a simple piece of glass in a wall, and we ended up uncovering this massive system designed to connect the entire world. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other huge stories are hidden in the words we use every single day, just waiting for us to find them?